Hi guys! Good morning! Kumusta kayo? This is Miss Eileen. Alam nyo, sobrang naa-addict ako dito sa foundation na to. Talaga naman. Pag ito yung foundation ko, I look younger. Yan, Tom Ford Shades and Illuminates. Sobrang ganda guys. And I got one present from my husband. Talo na siya. I cannot use any kind of foundation. Ito lang talaga. Look how smooth. Nakakabata, nakakabagets, diba? Sino may sabing 64 na yan? I'm 64 years old. Mom of Jessa Zaragoza. Proud mom. Thanks guys.